Hello guys and welcome to my channel Crafting My Way. Today I'm doing a makeover of this tapestry that I had, I'm sure I'm saying it all right, tapestry on my front porch. And as you can see it's faded and I've used it for Christmas time. But I decided to do it over with fall decor. So these are some floors that I got from Hobby Lobby, Walmart, and the Dollar Tree. I thought it had foam behind it, but it doesn't. So I had to end up gluing the pieces together, which I have another one, same shape, that I'm going to use at Christmas time. But I wished I could have just used. I wished it would have had foam, I should say, behind it. That way I could have just pulled the flowers off and changed them for each season. But anyway, things don't always go the way planned. So you go to your next plan. So this is where I'm going to just use the floors that I got from the different places. Like I said, Hobby Lobby, Dollar Tree, Walmart. And the more floors and the fuller it got, it just became nice and cute. I really like it on my front porch with my other fall decors. And plus, what make it even special is because, I'm using from the stash that I already had. Because so many times, we as crafters, and I'm very guilty of it, just buying things and adding it to what I already have instead of using, what we already have. And I know you see my head back and forth behind the thing here, but I have my glue gun over here in this corner, and I have the thing here on my crafting table. And this is the reason why it's a little high for me, because I'm not that tall to everyone. So I started back my crafting in time for the holidays. So I just love to see how everybody's decorating, colors you're using, and the holidays are upon us already, really. So this is getting there. And I would like to ask, do anyone ever but you can do different colors for any holiday you like, with whatever your favorites are, but do anyone ever go on the outside of the traditional fall colors and the traditional Christmas colors? And some people might say, well, what is Christmas colors? Red and green. So just comment and let me know. Do you have special colors that you use, or you use depending on how you feel, like I do, and what colors you choose? I know I changed my Christmas colors a lot for my Christmas tree in my living room because I have two or three trees that I put up. So just put in the comments colors do you use, or how do you do it? I would love to know that. Okay, and this is really the finishing of it, and it's so pretty, and I just love the colors. I put, as I said, the bows on it, and it just turned out so beautiful. And this is the finishing of it, and I got it in my the walkway of my dining room, which afterward I added the bow to it, and I'm going to put it on my front porch. So please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and thank you very, very much.